A little dirty in there. Oh yeah. Alright, flipping the switch in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I can see it's already on. Hell yeah. That hit way too hard. I was doing some moving around. I moved the trailer over with the quad, and then I was thinking I'd go out there a little bit, and I probably went maybe 30 yards out there, and I was trying to turn around because I got myself stuck in a point where I had to back up a little bit to keep moving forward, and I was trying to go and put it in first gear, and I was giving it gas, and it wouldn't want to move. It was acting like something was caught up, or the wheel didn't want to move, something was stuck. But when I gave it full throttle, it would move a little bit, but it would feel like it's fighting something. The point we're at now, I have it jacked up, took the wheel off. That's where we're at now. A little dirty in there. Just a little bit. Come on. Oh yeah. The pads came off, so we're gonna need new brake shoes. So I started taking this out. My little needle nose. There they are. Take the washer off. Okay, knees down. There they are. So, I guess we can reinstall everything back on. I'm gonna order new shoes. And we should be good. I'll catch y'all back when we get those new shoes. Oh, we're on. Doing that high idle shit. Sound like a damn gunshot. So I basically cut off the little lip that popped up there that would stop it. So now I'm going to have to cut it off here too. Alright, throttle still works. Looks a little weird over here, but that's alright. Alright, let's try to start it. Turn the key, that's on run. Flip that out, kick her down. Definitely shifting better. It's not wanting to jump into gear because it's getting too much gas. So I went to go look at the brakes to see, you know, how they're doing. I inspected them. You know, they're connected on this side, connected on this side, connected to their, you know, 2-to-1 adapter, you know, mechanism thing over here. Then the cable comes up and comes out to here. So I went to go look at it because there's no brakes at all, and the screws are badly stripped, like bad. So I went to go open this up to see if there's any fluid. Brought the pan here just in case it started dripping. Got nothing. And it looks pretty dirty in there. There's no need for me to take it off. I don't want the lines sitting there open. So I'm going to put it back, and I guess we'll order a new master cylinder for it. And obviously a brake lever. And, you know, we'll take it from there. Yes, sir. Brand new light bar. So I made this little mount. I got zip ties in there to hold it in. It actually holds in pretty nice, but I already got it all in there. That was just the hard part, you know, extra hard, extra thinking and whatnot. I already had these pod lights cut out and stripped, so they're all ready to get the where are they, these connections put onto them and connect onto there. I've already started doing this one, so those will connect onto there. I made sure that this light bar and the harness, I made sure that it came with 2 spots, one to light up this battery, and then we can do these. These I'm gonna have to tie together and then put them, you know, both on the red and black, only because there's only, you know, 1 spot for each. So that ain't too bad. That's what I'm gonna get going, and yeah, let's get this done. Got those on. Now we're gonna do these. Alright, those two nice and open. Do the same thing with this one. Reminds me of like the stick cheese. Just rip it apart. Put it there. Pretty sure this can fit this. Pretty sure. Oh yeah. Strip these down. Right there. Yank. This one. Yank. Alright. So now, it's not rocket science. You do red to red. I like to twist them real good, break it down a little bit, twist it again, get a nice stick, like that, just like that. And so the red ones go up, so we're going to make those go up like that. Same thing, negative, twist, break it down. Alright, those are done. I'm going to throw a little tape on each of them to make sure they stay together. I'm going to make sure the switch here is on off. Yeah, that's on off. And then I'm going to connect it to the battery. I already cut off my zip ties for the battery. Oh, I have to change these out. I'm going to cut those off and strip those off in 3, 2, 1. Here they are. Not bad. Now I'm going to put it on the battery. Alright, the whole time I did it while the battery was sitting on my foot. But yeah, got it all done. It's all in there. I'm just going to throw the battery up in its spot. Alright, sitting in its spot. The harness should be off. Let's check it real quick. Where's the button? Button is on off. Let's go over here and connect these two real quick. I gotta like bend the tab up a little bit. Hopefully that works. There we go. Good connection in there. Let's get that sleeve going. I don't know if the sleeve goes on the inside or outside. Oh, it goes on the inside, I guess. Got that one in. And so now we got the power flowing. This one looks good. That one's in. Just got the sleeve in there. I usually electrical tape everything when it's done, but this is just to make sure all the lights are working. Everything is connected properly. Let's plug these in. This is the power. This one's a little bent too. Let's bend it up. Let me see the power. Alright, positive is on. Just trying to get the sleeve in there. There we go, got the sleeve in there. There we go. I don't know what's with those metal tabs inside being bent. Alright, everything is connected. I think it's time we turn on the lights. Let me know if the light turns on. Both lights, actually. Alright, flipping the switch in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I can see it's already on. Hell yeah. Look at that. The top one's a little off center. I was trying to get it in the middle with the two things there, but I think I want to move them. Other than that, she's mint. Look at that. And they're bright too. Look at those. I kind of moved it just a little bit more to center it. I had it centered between these two, but these two aren't centered, so I centered it with the quad itself. I did this little cheesy thing. So I don't know if you know, if you haven't watched my first video with this thing when I was talking about it, you should definitely go check it out. This is a Yamaha 90 key, and I put this right in the spot. That's bright. Honestly, all I did was I just put a thick layer of electrical tape and I just jammed it in there, got it all nice. It's mint. It's mint. But yeah, after 150 zip ties and 300 foot worth of electrical tape, the lights are on and they look good. Let's move on to, here's the quad. I know you can barely see it. The wood's out there. So this is what you see now after I turn on the lights. That is crazy. Let's take this off. Come on, let me on there. There she goes. Taking this, appreciate that. That down. Got the mallet and oh, there we go. It's already starting to open up. I mean, we just opened this up a couple days ago, so it shouldn't be too hard to open. There's that. That should slide right off. Here, let me hit the brakes. This back on. That's backwards. Slide the washer back on. Alright, we're gonna leave that like that. That seems to be working. Honda. We got brakes now. Take her for a little ride. And I appreciate y'all watching. Told you the series with this thing is going to be nasty. It's going to be crazy. We already got her looking pretty good. Got her looking a little spiffy. Now we got working brakes again. Brand new brakes. Look at her. All in her glory. I think she looks cute. Let's go riding. Seems to be running fine as long as I keep, you know, the RPMs down. Alright, we're in second gear, a little wheelie action right here. That's nice. Like I said, I appreciate y'all watching me put this together and keeping this thing alive and healthy and putting the good parts on her. If you guys love what I'm doing, like what I'm doing, throw some support down in the comment section. Throw me a like or something. If you haven't subscribed yet, still don't know what you're doing. I'll catch y'all later. Appreciate y'all helping me build this, and peace out.